We're gonna continue using this white spinnerbait. We're gonna go all the way down. It's really calm on this side of the lake, better than the other side. Got one. Got one. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a nice one too. He's on. He's on. You got it. Oh, yes, sir. Boat flip that boy. Shoo! On the spinnerbait, guys. Yes, sir. Nice one right here. Say like a 2 pound. Skinny little guy, big mouth. This is nice. Ate it. Smoked. Alright, guys. We're gonna let this baddie go. The sun is going down. Hell yeah, on that spinnerbait. White spinnerbait. Alright, little guy. Thank you. And he's off. Shoo!